Everyone memorizes this. Derivative of natural log of x is 1 by x.
But 99% don't know the reason.
Stop memorizing and understand the concept. Today, I'll show you a super simple trick that will blow your mind. Now let's assume y is equal to natural log of x. Now convert into exponential form. We get us e power y, which is equal to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1, and derivative of e power is e power y into dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by e power y. We know that e power y equal to x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by x. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more interesting maths problems.